Hey everyone, welcome again, and today I'm going to show you how to make fabric cover for your passport to keep it clean and safe in your purse. You can use this cover to just hold your passport, or you can use one side pocket for passport and another for carrying cards or boarding pass. And trust me friends, it's very easy tutorial, and plus it's pretty much needed gift for everyone. So let's see how to make this passport cover. Take main fabric of 8.5 inch wide by 6 inch long, lining fabric of same measurement, 2 pieces of main fabric which is 5 inch wide by 6 inch long, medium weight interfacing of 7 and 3 quarters wide by 5 inch long, 2 pieces of interfacing 2 inch wide by 5 inch long. First, take the two small pieces of main fabric and fold them into half on shortest side. Then take the small pieces of interfacing and place them inside the folded fabric close to fold and center from top and bottom. Then pin it or clip it on fold. Now lay the main fabric with right side facing up. Then take one folded piece and place it on one shortest edge with folded sides inside, and align all the three sides and pin or clip it. Repeat the same for other side also. Then with 1/4 inch seam, make stitches on both the sides from top to bottom. Once you stitched pockets, place the lining on top of it with right sides facing together and keep everything in place with the help of pins or clips. Now with 1/4 inch seam, make stitches on three sides, keeping one side open. Make sure to backstitch at start and end. Once lining is attached, clip the corners and trim the extra fabric closer to stitch from all the four sides without cutting the stitch. Now it's time to turn this thing. So insert your hand into, grab the inside pocket and turn this inside out by holding that pocket. Poke the corners. Then insert the interfacing inside and turn the other pocket to the opposite side and again poke the corners. Don't worry about this opening, it will get covered inside top stitch. Now with 1/8 inch seam, give a top stitch all the way around. Remember, while you top stitch, make back stitches on all four start points of pockets, because this will have more stress when go slowly. This will have more stress when you insert, because after all this top stitch will give more professional look to your passport cover. And lastly, it's time to take out your iron. Give a good press everywhere once, and then fold this piece in half and give final press, and your pretty passport cover is ready. In the same way, you can make different styles for your covers even with appliques on it. So friends, do let me know about today's tutorial, And if you don't know about sewing and you still want one of these, then you can purchase these from my Etsy shop, and the link is given in the description. And lastly, most important, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.